So this is another question from NEET 2018 examination. Question number is 153 and question is given in the language form, but I have simply simplified it here. Okay. So what it says is there is a compound called A which when reacts with sodium gives a compound B. Okay. And when compound A reacts with PCl5 gives another compound C. Okay. And when these B and C react together, they give diethyl ether. Okay, they give diethyl ether. So what are A, B and C? Okay, so just by looking at the question you can say figure out, see normally what PCl5 is used, PCl5 or SaCl2 is used for say making things more reactive, making alcohols more reactive, okay, doing some reactions. And similarly sodium reacts with alcohols to give sodium ethoxide ions. Okay, so and you need diethyl ether, so you need 2C2H5, okay, and your B and C should react, so you should have some sodium, okay, and in the second step you should have some chloride, okay, and this sodium and chloride will react, they will go out and you will get diethyl ether. So you can simply by looking at this you can say that B should be something like C2H5ONa or Cl, C should be something like C2H5ONa or Cl, okay, and when they react together they form you diethyl ether, right? So that means we have something C2H5ONa and C2H5Cl, they are reacting, so they are B and C, okay. So which one is B, which one is C, that we can figure out, okay. But now we easily know that, okay, if alcohol is there and it is going to react with sodium, okay, if you are taking alcohol as your compound A, okay, alcohol as your compound A, which when react with sodium it will give you sodium ethoxide, right? So that means it will be your C2H5ONa, which will be nothing, which is nothing but compound B. And similarly when you have alcohol, that is compound A reacting with PCl5, so this is another famous reaction, okay, compound A reacting with PCl5, it will give you C2H5Cl, thus making this C2H5 much more reactive. Now this is your compound C, and when this B and C will react together, what will happen? This NaCl will simply go out, and what will happen? What will happen is C2H5O, and it will get connected to C2H5. So that means you will get diethyl ether. So your A is nothing but your alcohol, okay, which is in option number 4 as well. But your B, because it is reacting with sodium, it is not chloride, right? So it is sodium ethoxide, and your C is C2H5Cl. So that means your option number 3 is the correct option. This was not a difficult question at all, okay. So option number 3 is the correct option in this case.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.